taken from Tobacco Farm Way. Monday, Crossroads Automotive Services, Highway 902 Bear Creek and Harper's Crossroads, reported someone siphoned gas out of vehicles in the parking lot. And Tuesday, J.R. Moore and Son off Thrift Road, Bolton, reported someone stole a pair of work boots valued at $177. And we'll check in with the Chatham County Sheriff's Office for other reports later. From the Siler City PD, Saturday, Officer Christopher Gallimore investigated a wreck in the Water Wash parking lot on East 3rd Street, Siler City. Randall Lamar Little of Siler City operated his vehicle in a reckless manner in the parking lot of Water Wash and struck a pedestrian identified as Francisco Fernandez Flores of Siler City, who was walking across the parking lot. Little then struck a concrete barrier and utility pole, breaking it in the middle. Little then left the scene and was followed back to his residence by a witness. Little was charged with driving while license revoked, felony hit and run, injury to real property, and revoked registration plate. We'll check in with the Siler City Police Department for other reports later. That's your news brought to you by Century Link. Weather forecast is on the way next year on WNCA. Here's more music of the Carolinas with Mark Black. Peaches,